Hey guys. I said that's so weird. Oh my god, I got an itch in my nose. So basically, I move into my dorm in 1 month. I haven't bought anything, like literally nothing to prepare for college. I'm finally starting that today, and I decided to vlog. So my mom and I are gonna go dorm room shopping a little bit. Today was planned to be like a whole day to get a lot of shopping done, to go to a bunch of stores, but we don't have the time anymore. So thanks mom for ruining my vlog. I mean, she like kind of had to, but like still, I'm gonna stop throwing a fit. So yeah, we're doing that. I don't know what else the day has in store. All I know is that Addison and Delaney are on a freaking cruise for a whole week. You're probably asking like, okay, so what are you gonna do like for a whole week? And the answer is I literally have no idea. It's Tuesday, they left Saturday. I've survived thus far. I didn't even tell y'all what I'm doing right now. I'm in the car on my way to training, and I'm actually kind of late, so that's good. All right, so my mom and I are at TJ Maxx right now. This is a really exciting vlog. Oh, that backpack's cute. Let's just like look at all the stuff that I don't need.
Read his fan.
Okay, mom's all freaking out about this fan. Hey mom, I like actually think that I need this succulent on my desk so I can be a basic hoe.
This is cute on rollers. That looks retro.
What? What about this is retro? Oh mom, this palm tree pillow. This pillow.
You're obnoxious.
No, I'm not. No, oh wait, mom. Oh my god, this one has a llama on it.
Your mattress cover.
Oh, cool. I love a good stock photo. I don't know if I like any of the comforters here, so I'm gonna go next door to Target while my mom's here. So we're getting a few things. So we just got done at TJ Maxx and Target. I would say it was successful. Eventually, once I get most of my dorm shopping done, I will do a more formal haul. I got these shoes while I was there, and even though they're like too small on me, I thought they were cute enough to buy anyways. I also got these Steve Madden ones because I've been wanting a pair like these for a while, and they were like really cheap there. You love a good bargain. So I forgot a little bit that I was vlogging today. I'm on my way to Addison and Delaney's house. I know what you're thinking, what the heck, they're gone. Yes, they are, but I'm watching their cats. I gotta do something, make this vlog a little bit more exciting. I wish like my life was cooler so that I was like a cooler vlogger, but I can't help it. Hi kitties! Yeah, you missed me, didn't you? Hi. I gotta clean your cat box today. Currently in Addison's bed eating somebody's ice cream and watching Criminal Minds. I decided to go to Sonic by myself, so I'm in Addison's car and I'm getting a grilled cheese with pickles because they are so freaking good. And as soon as I like thought about one, like I had to come and get one. Oh, look at this happiness. I got a freaking water like a lame ass. Ew. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed in a few minutes, so I'm just gonna continue this vlog for tomorrow. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all in the morning. Bye guys. Hello everyone. So, good morning. I really wish that I had a car mount, but unfortunately I do not, and I need to order one now. I'm really hot, and I need sunglasses. Okay, this is better. Right now I'm about to leave my house. Today is not exciting again. Oh my god, my voice. I'm about to be on my way to Addison's house because I'm gonna go say hi to his cats, and then I'm gonna get his car because I'm gonna drive his car for the rest of the week. And then I have training. And then I'm gonna go get a smoothie, I think, because I just like really want one. I'm gonna do a baking with Avryana today later, because when I have nothing else to do, I bake. All right, I'm turning on my music. Oh, I fall apart. Oh my god, this song. Okay, I had no idea who this guy was until he died. That's so bad. Okay, bye. I made it to the gym, but I'm like 5 minutes early. I don't know, like, this has never happened. Again, I would try to get some footage in the gym, but you know, I have a trainer, so that would just kind of be weird. So I just got done at the gym. Today was arm day, so it wasn't like terrible, but you know, I got weak arms, so. I'm now gonna go, that was like, sounded really formal. I'm gonna go get a smoothie now, and then Ava needs me to go to the grocery store for her to pick up a few things. So I got my smoothie. It's really good. It's got like lots of protein in it. And it's got like mangoes and bananas and almonds. What is this aisle? Just like look at it all. You think you'd be able to find buttermilk with the rest of the milk, but I can't freaking find it, and I'm so cold right now. I'm calling my mom because I don't really know what else to do. Oh my god, did any of y'all play with Orbeez? Those are like my favorite things for like so many years. I found my way to the makeup section. This is dangerous. Quick Target haul, like really quick. Most of the stuff I got was boring because it's just like recipe stuff, but I got scrunchies because I only have like one. I don't know where all my other ones went. And then I got a new nail polish color. Ava wanted me to get her Starbucks. Here you go, Ava. All right, we can go home now. Now we can go home. It's really hot. Look at how hot it is outside. freaking focus. 103 degrees. Hey guys, so it is currently 2:30. So I'm gonna make these cookies. They're called something and they're like, here's like kind of a picture. I think they're gonna take a while to make and there's only 6 of them. So this is definitely a waste of my time. But I've been wanting to try this really lame recipe for like a few months now. So I'm finally gonna do it. I already got all of my ingredients out. I'm using my organic sugar. All right. Ew. My stove is so loud, listen. This is like such a random temperature, like 225.
Call this.
Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. Okay, these do not look cute. All right, well, cool. Okay, now the sun's like right in my eyeballs. I'm about to take off my makeup and do it again because my sister and I are gonna go take pictures at like sunset time. Yeah. Buttons look so cute right now. Come here, baby. Oh, I just finished my look. I ran out of eyelashes, so I just had to deal with my natural ones. We're at the top of a parking garage right now. Hopefully my camera doesn't blow over in the wind. That's Mabina. Oh, we're here. I kind of sort of think that if we stay up here any longer, we're gonna get kidnapped somehow, so. They're taking some more pictures over there, too. Don't just shake it. Hey guys, so I'm about to go to sleep. I'm really tired and I have to get up kind of early to go to work tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here. I hope you all enjoyed the whole video. I have to work tomorrow and Friday. I probably won't be vlogging for the rest of the week, so I don't know when I'll upload next. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.
Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our body low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My hands, your bones. Do stop, we break the scene. One step